So, after a week of record highs, Wall Street finally hit the brakes on Tuesday. Stocks pulled back a bit as investors weighed ongoing worries about the government shutdown against the hype around artificial intelligence. Hey everyone, it's Wednesday morning, October 8th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Quick note before we dive in. Today's episode is brought to you by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. Learn more about our funds and strategies at amf-capital.de. Alright, let's get started. The Standard & Poor's 500 fell about 0.4%, the Nasdaq lost roughly 0.7%, and the Dow slipped around 0.2%, ending the market's 7-day winning streak. Now, despite the pause, one thing did keep climbing: gold. Futures for the precious metal broke the $4,000 mark for the first time ever, as investors sought safety amid all the Washington chaos. Meanwhile, the AI trade that's been driving the market lately lost a bit of momentum. Oracle shares tumbled after experts said the company's cloud margins might be slimmer than many had hoped. Tesla also slid around 4% after launching a new, cheaper Model Y priced under $40,000, a move that raised some eyebrows about profitability. On the macro side, the government shutdown is making things tricky. The delay of the monthly jobs report means investors and the Fed are flying a little blind this week. And if the shutdown drags on, next week's inflation data could also be delayed, meaning less clarity on how soon rate cuts might come. And while all this is happening, President Trump said he's willing to negotiate with Democrats over healthcare subsidies, but only once the government is reopened. Until then, it's political gridlock as usual. So yeah, a mix of gold fever, AI fatigue, and a touch of Washington drama. Alright, that wraps up today's Capital Markets Quickie. Join me again tomorrow morning for more market updates. See you then.